Hi guys, thank you and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is this simple avocado ice cream. Sit back and enjoy. So here I'm using some ripened avocado, about 5 avocados is what I'm using here. And I'm adding some milk. You can use your milk of choice, whatever milk you choose. And here I'm adding some honey just to add some sweetness to it. And next is some mint leaf. So I'm processing this together. You can use the pulse, you can, just blend it. What you just want to get is that smooth consistency. As soon as you get that smooth consistency you're looking for, then you stop. So I'm using a food processor here. You can also use a blender. Whatever you have, you can make do with it. So now that I get that smooth consistency I'm looking for, I'm adding some of this dark chocolate chip. You can use white chocolate, you can use just a normal chocolate chip, whatever is pleasing to you. So I'm mixing all this together. And here I'm adding some salt, just a little bit of salt. So once you're done mixing, you can transfer into a baking pan, a cup, whatever you can use to store in your freezer. So just pour it in there. And guys, with this recipe, this is healthy. It is very, very healthy. You don't have to worry about, oh, I'm taking in a lot of calories. So this is healthy. It's an healthy alternative to the regular ice cream. And for this, once you're done transferring into the pan, you can freeze it for up to 6 or 8 hours. So just try to level it up, just a little bit of, And for this recipe also, it can be enjoyed by everyone in the family. So here I'm just topping it with more chocolate. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you like any of my recipes, please kindly click the like button. Also, don't forget to share my recipes with friends and families or anyone who you think would be interested. You can also follow me on other social media pages, on Instagram as Abby's Home Kitchen, on Pinterest, and on Facebook, also on Twitter. I would love to hear your comments, your ideas. If you have any other ideas, please kindly share. And guys, do not forget to click that subscribe button and press the notification bell. See you next time. Goodbye.